busy Thursday evening to join us here at the Vidhan Saudha. Mr. Upadhyay, I'd like to begin with you. 5 days back, I was in the studio talking to you about what's happening. No decision then. Yesterday, I was talking to you, no decision. I've flown from Delhi, come to Bengaluru, come to the Vidhan Saudha. Joining me here, you're here with us, and still no decision, sir.
Well, let's hope something comes out, because I think we have been waiting for this for quite some time now. I don't know whether the High Command is now backtracking on what they promised to both Siddaramaiah and Shivkumar. The meeting is not going to happen. I hope it will still happen because, you see, they are supposed to conduct this meeting before the Parliament session starts on Monday. That is December 1.
Okay.
So there are 2 more days left.
Mr. Upadhyay, we're having a problem with your mic. We'll fix that, but Nagarjun, go ahead.
I want to speak to both JDS and the BJP spokesperson here, Mr. Prashant and Mr. Raju. We spoke to Vijayendra as well just a while back and Mr. Sunil Kumar just a while back. They are saying that the BJP is thinking of moving a no-confidence motion in the upcoming assembly in Belgaum. Is the JDS also on board on this decision of the BJP?
Yes, the same thing we are doing. Why? Because they are not going. They are not giving the good governance. They are fighting, quarreling in between with them only, Siddaramaiah and DKShi. So in Karnataka we are facing more problems. Farmers are facing sugarcane problems, and Bangalore especially is the in charge of Bangalore. DK Shivakumar is the in charge of Bangalore. From the beginning we are facing the potholes. There is no developments. We are facing more problems in Karnataka. They are not concentrated on the developments. They are only concentrated on their problems.
Mr. Prashant,
this is the internal problem of
140
you're calling it an internal problem. So it's an internal problem.
Firstly, I think there's a coalition government between DK Shivakumar and Siddaramaiah now, how it's going on. So these differences tend to arise in the coalition government. But what's happened is, what's taken the back seat is governance, administration for the people. And what is driving it is greed for power, lust for the seat,
Prashant, I'm so sorry. There's an audio problem with the mic also. We'll just rectify it in a bit.